Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
In this tutorial, we are going to create a mini fan using a push button and breadboard. For this experiment, we will require a DC motor, a fan blade, a 9-volt battery, a battery cap, a push button, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. Place the push button on the breadboard as shown here. Now, connect the terminals of the DC motor to the breadboard using jumper wires as shown here. Connect the battery cap to the 9-volt battery. Connect the positive wire of the battery cap to the positive rail of the breadboard and the negative wire to the negative rail of the breadboard. After completing all the connections, attach the fan blade securely to the shaft of the DC motor. Now the hardware setup is complete. Let's understand the working of this project. When the push button is pressed, the circuit gets completed and current flows from the 9-volt battery to the DC motor. The motor starts rotating, causing the fan blade to spin. When the push button is released, the circuit breaks, stopping the flow of current. As a result, release the push button and show the fan stopping. In this way, we have successfully created a mini fan using a push button and breadboard.